If you want to install games on the microSD express card on your Nintendo Switch 2, then the first thing that you need to know is that if you have the microSD card inserted into your Nintendo Switch 2 and you try to install a game, then the game should automatically be installed on the memory card instead of the internal storage. However, of course, if you have installed games prior to inserting the microSD express card into the Switch 2 console, then in that case you still have those games on the internal storage, most likely. So if you want to transfer the game from the internal storage to the memory card, then in that case you need to go to System Settings. Over here choose Data Management, and then you want to go to Move System/microSD Express Card Data. In my case, unfortunately, I don't have the Express SD card, so I cannot show you further what you need to do. However, I can guarantee you that once you go over here, you should be able to find the option that allows you to transfer data from the storage, from the internal storage, to the microSD express card. So you should be able to choose which games you want to transfer to the memory card. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.